first start with them.
It was a really fulfilling experience and we learned a lot of new things. Thank you.
So I actually quite enjoyed the whole sessions because it was at one hand it was quite informative, and on the other we gained a lot of practical experience on all the stuff, right? Both on USVs and UAVs. Thank you.
It's a great experience to be in this hand-on training workshop, and Sir is very enthusiastic also, and thanks to ma'am for organizing this Geo-Hydrological survey and the hands-on training on the Apache 3 Pro and the UAV also. But Sir also is very enthusiastic and Sir brags on doing all these things, so this was quite like intensive sessions that helps us a lot. And professionally we will be benefited after this course also. Okay, thank you.
It's my first education journey of Northeast, so I'm very happy to see the culture of Northeast, and mostly I've enjoyed the education part and this which is taught us related to glacier and glacier geomorphology, and this my interesting section is glacier geomorphology, so I quite enjoyed, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello ma'am, any feedback?
Yeah, the participants are quite active, so I think they can learn and they are going to use whatever techniques they are learning from here. So that's all.
Thank you ma'am.
It was very good, very informative, and I really enjoyed attending this workshop. So thank you very much for organizing this.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed the workshop and I had the great opportunity to learn so many things from them.
Thank you. Hello ma'am. Feedback.
I had a great time learning new advanced techniques in geography, so I'm happy that I've come here. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am. Feedback sister.
Hi. So this is our first time using this USV, so it was a new thing for us and learning opportunity.
My experience was very good. I had so much fun. But there's no sugar in the background, so I'll continue later. Bye.
So this is the workshop. We are going to practice the unmanned surface vehicle. That is, we use the Apache 3 Pro to estimate the water level depth. It is a great experience and it is very useful for the estimation of the bathymetry, because in glacial lake it is very difficult to do survey manually, but using this instrument we can easily estimate the depth, and further we can estimate the amount of siltation of lake and what is the water level changes over there. We can do is
so far it's going good. I'm learning a lot, so I hope and expect that we'll have more of this kind of workshops again. Yeah, thank you.
A feedback please.
Hello, Zulu here. Too much Yeah, honestly saying, it's a good workshop. We are learning. Thank you.